So, this is a disclaimer that my voice is battling laryngitis. Okay, so it's going to get better as long as I don't strain it. Reason why this video is the way it is. Just describing it with words, but I just still say it. Let me explain a little bit. So I hydrated my lips with that very minty resolution lip balm, brushed my edges back so that I don't lose baby hair, my natural hairline, and I'm going to be using this the spray I used here is what do you call it again? I'm going to put it on the comment section. It is just for me. I poured a little bit of it inside this when I was getting married, so it was easy for me to carry rather than carry the whole big black and gold can with me. That makes sense. So I'm going to dry out this hair and then ensure that the wig cap I use is a little bit similar to my skin color. That way I don't have to paint my actual natural hair with foundation and all that. So that causes build up and clogs your pores and all that, so I don't do that. And I'm going to show you how I go about my own. And also my wig laying, I do not do a crazy dramatic hairline, baby hair, because I don't really like it. I've never ever laid my hair with baby hair sticking out in front of my face before. I do not like it. It's not my style. So I just do natural hairline, which you might start doing because it's quite matured and beautiful at the end of the day. So just keep watching and see how I do this. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me on my page, Facebook page, depending where you're watching from. And my Facebook page is called The Marshalls with S, the space Marshalls. I do not want to apply it here for some reason. I don't know why. But if you are watching from there, thank you very much. If you're watching from YouTube, thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down below. So when I say comment, I need you to be nice with your comments. I do not like when people impose their opinion on me. I like it when people suggest, and say, what about this? Have you tried this? That one I take in because that's when I grow and learn. But not you coming to impose your opinion on me, thinking that's what you want me to do. That's not my life. I don't listen to that. And not to say I don't take criticism, but you have to be nice. So, watch how I did it, and I would see you in my next other video. Thank you very much. Appreciate your support and your kindness and your time. I do not take it for granted. So thank you very much. Enjoy the video to the end. Thanks.